What's up, CV Cooking here. Tonight we're making a Mezze Maniche hot sausage. Well, you know, it's really a collaboration. It's a collaboration. It's baked pasta with sausage and broccoli.
With our own flair. We're gonna have our own little twist.
Hi, Jade. Yep. So, all right, coronavirus cooking, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the post notifications button so you can get all of our updated videos as we post. We do plan on posting a lot of videos as we're stuck at home. We're all in this boat together. Hopefully you can benefit from some of these recipes with you and your family. So yeah, we're here to share it with you today. Anyway, here you go.
So first we're gonna get started with the pasta. So for this recipe, it requires a tube pasta. So we chose this one. It's a very, very, very good one. Very good.
What's the cook time on that?
It's used like 8 minutes. So,
Great.
Yeah, 8 minutes. So here we go.
No biggie.
Yes, perfect amount of water too.
While that pasta's boiling for 8 minutes, I'm gonna get started on these potatoes. Chop them.
I'm not sure how I'm gonna chop them. I guess like this. That. That's perfect. There you go. Perfect size. One more time. Just a rough chop, nothing crazy. See if I can chop them fast enough to like get it done before the potatoes or the pasta's done. Okay, chop these guys. I think that's all we need actually for the dish. Okay. Look at it. Yeah. Extra. Yep. Perfect. Right. And then there's our pasta going.
Perfect. Wonderful.
Maybe.
How much time? Next up, garlic bread to accompany the dish. We need a huge loaf of sourdough. So I'm gonna approach this bread here. With a bread knife, serrated. One, two, three. Four, do five. Done. For the garlic, I'm going to use a few cloves. It's going to go on the bread. But I'm also going to use this just to save some of my fresh garlic. Okay? A little collaboration. So quick chop.
I'm just
You get the idea. And let me show you a butter trick too. Jade's gonna show you this one. She taught me, so it's only appropriate.
So what I like to do, because butter can sometimes explode in the microwave if you just put it in there and put it in there by itself. So this is wax paper on the outside of this. You don't want to do this if you have like aluminum or something on the outside. So I put it in here like this, and then what I'm gonna do, put it in here, and that
You
prevents...
open the bottom, right? Let me just
Yeah, I open the
see
bottom,
that.
yeah. So I open the bottom,
See,
because
okay.
it lets it, yeah. So when it's done, you kind of have this little piece you can pick up,
Yep.
and then you pop
Yep.
it out. So 30 seconds on that.
30 seconds will do it. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. So while that butter was finishing to melt, I'll show you the result.
So see, there's that little piece on top, and there you go.
Boom, now you got all your
No
melted butter.
explosion.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, that's what I was gonna say. While it was going, I finished mincing that. I'm gonna open this. The idea is pour this butter on the bread, slather it up, get the garlic on top, and we're using sage, is that right?
No, we're using the Italian seasoning for the. Because it has like everything we want.
Organic
on that.
Italian.
Yep.
Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna build one for you, then we're gonna cut, and I'll do the rest before we throw it into the oven. If you have a paintbrush, use that. Beat the spatula. The noodles are done, so next we will strain the noodles. But first, I'm gonna make this piece of garlic bread. Okay. Some garlic on there. Nice. Just throw it down. Some of that Italian herb. Oven's on 400 degrees. This is the final result. Sticking it in. And we're just gonna monitor it. When it looks done, it's done. There's no rules. There's the potatoes. Boom. Pasta's done. Looking good. Strain it. A lot of pasta. Shake it. It's done. Put it back in. Next, we're gonna do the Italian sausage. Good.
All right, so now we're gonna add sausage to a hot pan. It's a non-stick pan. If you don't have one at home, you add a tablespoon of olive oil. So I'm just gonna try to like pick it apart like this. Pan's not exactly hot enough yet, but it's okay. It's a big pan. Oh, now I hear it starting to sizzle. Yep, there it goes. So we just want to make crumbles really as much as we can.
That looks really good.
That'll be delicious. You can use whatever kind, like if you like it more mild, use a mild Italian sausage. If you like it
Remembering to
hot, you can use hot.
check the potatoes too. Hold on. Looking okay, looking okay. Ooh, foggy. Yeah. That bread's still fresh. So what Jay just said, to recap, is I took the potatoes out. They look like this. They're not fully browned. They are cooked. And we're gonna finish cooking them in here because they're gonna absorb, what was it, the sausage fat?
Yeah.
Yes. Cool, so it all marries together really nice.
All right. There it goes.
Next up, garlic bread. I believe it's pretty much done. Just about. I'd say maybe like 2 more minutes. Okay. Or 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Okay. So now we actually do have
Some of the seasonings into this over here. So we'll start with the sage.
High action.
We have to actually use dried sage because unfortunately the store was out of fresh sage. It's been really rough with their coronavirus, so couldn't get it delivered.
Quarantine
to us.
cooking, use what you got.
Okay. Then from there we do 2 pinches of red pepper. I can figure out how to open it.
See?
Oh, I know. I know. It's being complicated. There we go. Okay, so we'll do just a little bit. And so now I'm going to mix all this. And after this sautés for a bit, there's going to be another stage where we add some half and half in here. It's kind of almost a little sauce out of
Great.
all of this. And then simmer it for a little while.
Continuing with the flavor.
Okay, so we're putting
Smelling great.
garlic.
Oh my gosh.
I'm using a fork or teaspoon here, but you'll, just to make it a whole teaspoon.
Okay.
All right. Go. And now
Anything
we'll do
else? Or
this. Nope, this is good for now.
Any smoked salt? Should we add that?
Yep, we're gonna add, okay, smoked salt.
Let's do it.
Let's do that.
That smoky flavor.
All right. Using a really good smoked salt too. One of my favorite ones. I like to do 2 pinches. So we're gonna have one more pinch. Crumbling, crumbling, crumbling. There we
Bam.
go.
Looks great.
Mhm.
Smells
and then
great.
The second one, we're
Excited.
gonna do the half and half.
Okay, cool. Let me grab that out of the fridge for you.
Nope, it's right here.
Oh.
Right here. Yep. So just pour about what you think would be like about maybe half a cup to a cup.
Yeah, let's just not let it swim in it.
Yeah, exactly. That's the point. Not swimming in it. A little bit more. All right, that's perfect actually. Yes. Yes.
It's okay. You can tell me if it's swimming.
No, it's actually it's gonna dry. What we're gonna do, it's gonna.
Of course.
Yeah.
I know. It'll burn off. It'll burn
Yeah.
off. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
So, perfect.
Okay.
And that's it for now. And our next step will be cheese to fold in
Okay.
after this simmers with salt.
Bread's ready.
And then now this. I use the other hand. Both my
Yeah.
hands are clean, but I'm not like.
On the off chance I can't figure out how to do music, I do plan on putting some music in the back for this part, so I'm gonna edit out my voice if that's possible. But hopefully the music plays. And add this to this.
Oh, not yet. But
Soon. Make sure we say all the. Since you're stronger than me, because it's heavy, I'm gonna switch with you. Or,
yeah.
Am I though? Let's
Yeah.
see.
There we go. Ooh, teamwork. Perfect. 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 Oh my god, yay! Okay, now we get my spoon. Mix
Beautiful.
this all up. It's just gonna be like this pot of awesome pasta and all this stuff. Would have looked pretty with the real sage leaves, but this is fine. Still gonna taste yummy. All right.
Cool, good deal.
Perfect.
Next up, we're gonna plate it, show you what it looks like,
Mhm.
sign off, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Cool, so while that's being plated, I'm gonna get in on some of that. So good. I love it. Oh my God. All right, how's that doing?
Good. It's good.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
So perfect.
Let's pop that on a plate. Mmm.
It's not the prettiest, but it was gonna taste amazing. Oh. Wow. Well,
Doesn't have to look pretty to taste good.
that's true.
I think it looks awesome though.
Okay. And I think that's about it.
Yeah, it's a good plate. Throw some garlic bread on it. Picture perfect, right? Voila. Boom. Not very good at maneuvering this thing. Okay. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll be on. We're not sure what we're gonna make yet, but if you have ideas, throw it in the comments. We'll consider it. Again, we pretty much make with what we have. That being said, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Keep this channel going. If you guys can get this thing to like 300 subscribers, I'll shave my beard. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.